Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to show you two critical things that you need to understand so that you have success in the Google search engine results packs, particularly if you're a small local business. Okay, this is meant to help you with your Google My Business listing. So remember, in this example here, I've searched yoga classes. Now, the first part you're going to see where it says yoga classes, what do you need right now? That's a paid advertisement. After that, you've got your local snippet, which is, or the map pack or the local pack, and this is where the Google My Businesses are going to show up. That is the most relevant solution or most important thing that you can try to impact as a local small business. And that's the key, or the core of my advice comes down to there. Then after that, you're going to have your organic results. So if you look at the organic results, I'm in Elko, New Market, Minnesota, which is about 15 minutes south of Lakeville, which is a bigger suburban, or 10 minutes south, 6 minutes south of Lakeville, which is a little bit bigger, has more businesses, right? So I searched yoga, and I've got a couple of classes here, but the third one here is Lifetime Fitness, which is a very relevant place here. So two things I want to show you. One is that proximity matters most. So if I go into the map here, you're going to see that what this is showing me I'm the blue dot there, and it's only showing me results in the Google My Business that are relevant to my location. Here's what you need to know. Whether you're a construction company, a remodeling company, chimney repair company, a cleaning company, you need to have a physical address right where you want your honey hole to be. If you're a real estate agent and you want people to find you as a realtor or a real estate agent, you need to have a home office that's viewable on Google My Business, and then a full-fledged Google My Business account right by where your honey hole is going to be, okay? So you need to plan your office. Having an office is actually more important than what you'd think it is. That's the first tip. Proximity to your searcher is the number one thing. Now, we struggle out here because we're not near, our town is about 4,000 people, whereas Lakeville has 65,000, and all the neighboring suburbs, which are about 10 minutes away, have about 60,000 each. The other thing I want to show you is that alongside your proximity importance, let me show you something interesting here. These are screenshots where, for instance, I searched SEO St. Paul, or SEO company. Notice how what I've circled here says their website mentions SEO company. Okay, here's a couple other examples. I searched specifically Term Life Insurance, Burnsville, Minnesota. Their website mentions term life insurance. You need to have a website with services sections that mention what you actually do. So here's what I mean. If you're an insurance company, you should have a section on your website dedicated to whole life insurance, universal life insurance, variable universal life insurance, term life insurance. Every kind of keyword that's relevant to you, you need to at least have a section explaining it. Remember, the core in SEO is to have a query or a solution to the queries that are out there. Now notice how it's saying their website mentions life insurance term. This is evidence that the local snack pack, or the map pack is being influenced by your website. So the main fundamentals are you need to invest into your website and into your Google My Business page. You need to have your website communicating that you solve these queries or you have solutions in these core commercial keywords. And then after that, you need to fill out your services section on your Google My Business page and kind of relate them back and forth to your website. I hope this is helpful. Like and subscribe to our channel, and if this adds value to it all, please consider becoming a Patreon member. We had lots of people with our tax advice provide us with some donations and whatnot, so they told us we should open up a Patreon. We're happy to serve, and this is a very critical thing no matter what kind of business you're in.